In this episode, my Fishing Frenzy Academy volunteers to teach fishing to a group of transient workers at St. John Island. It was a day full of fun, excitement, dancing, and gorgeous food. After about 1 week of rain, we are blessed with some sun in the morning as we make our way to St. John Island to conduct a special class to a group of special students. They are migrant workers who contributed to building Singapore but are unable to work currently due to health or salary issues.
TWC2 is an organization based in Singapore that helps migrant workers, mostly from India and Bangladesh, and also domestic workers when they get in trouble. So basically, construction workers are really prone to injuries, and when they get injury, they cannot work anymore. Or when they are involved in the salary claims, we take patronage over them. So we provide them food and shelter, and also some weekly activities like this one. You know, migrant workers in Singapore are a group of people that are a little neglected, or they're a little invisible. They do all the important work. They build our buildings and take care of all the necessities here, like take out the trash and do all the work that's considered a little demeaning. So they're also very invisible. And then when they get help, there's not many people to stretch out the helping hand for them. So this organization is important because actually that's the only kind of support they can get. So we help mostly migrant workers because we feel that we want to portray Singapore and Singaporeans as being very kind and caring. And sometimes these migrant workers don't have such an idea, but especially in time of need, when they get injured, and then when you see Singaporeans helping them out, and we try to create them nice memories about Singapore. So we hope that when they come back to their country, despite the adversity and despite their injuries, they'll be taking good memories home, and they remember Singapore and Singaporeans as being kind and caring in times when they got injured.
After fishing from shore, 5 lucky anglers came on board Artemis 1 for a short 2-hour fishing trip out at sea. We were very lucky to hit a school of pelagic soon after we sailed out. Oh no, it's going underneath the boat.
Yeah, that's right.
Why turn the head?
Stop.
Hey Ned! Wait, go. Wow, big one! We knew that the fishes were in the frenzy mode after days of rain. We were getting bites at every drop of our jigs and even sapiki. Wow! This is one of our best jigging trips in Singapore. After we caught enough to feed the village, it was time to start preparing for barbecue dinner. The fish body was sliced for easier cooking and for lime juice to seep through, and then coated with Bangladeshi traditional paste, which was made out of masala and turmeric powder. The fish were marinated for about an hour while their staple food, rice, was served with fresh vegetables, curry duck, and curry fish. The barbecue fire was started shortly after dinner for the feast. Their way of barbecuing is over very strong fire. I've eaten kingfish cooked in many different ways and can say that I didn't know that this fish can taste so amazing. It was a very long and tiring voluntary day for us, but after seeing their smiles after catching a fish, and the fishing frenzy during the day, and the super delicious dinner and barbecue queenie, the experience for us too is indeed priceless. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our video channel for more interesting videos from the Fishing Academy.